Okay, so on this question, they're saying which regions in the graph below represent the solution to the given system of inequalities. All right, so they're giving us a couple of lines here, and they're asking us which region, A, B, C, or D, or maybe a couple of them, are the solutions. So you can see down here that they have, you can go A, B, C, or D, or you can go A and B, A and C, there's a bunch of options. Okay, a million different options. So where's the answer? How do you know? Well, first off, let's figure out which line is which equation. So first off, I'll take this one, the y equals, or y greater than or equal to x plus 4. Which one's that? Well, you can tell by the 4, that's this one. It starts at 4. Remember, the number off to the right is where you start. Remember whenever they give us an equation, y equals mx plus b, this right here is the b. Remember, y equals mx plus b. So when they go y greater than or equal to x plus 4, the b, this is where you start your graph in the center, up 4. So this is the equation y greater than or equal to x plus 4. And the other one, this one, must be the other line, because that one has nothing off it. Same thing as 0. It starts at 0. Must be right here, right? It starts at a 0 height. So this is the one, y greater than or equal to negative x. So now we know which one's which one. Okay, now how do you know where the shading goes? Well, remember, greater is above and less is below. We've had that before, huh? So looking at this one, greater means above the line. Shade above the line, because this is greater. Remember how it's like the alligator mouth, right? The mouth, the wide side. If y is on the wide side of the symbol, that means y is greater, bigger, shaded. The shading is above, shade above the line. So I come in here and I go, okay, I'm going to shade above this line. Oh, wait, yeah, no, that's right. So it's shade everywhere above that line. Now for the blue line, what does it say for that one? I'll put it over here. Y greater than or equal to negative x. Again, that's shade above. Shade above because it says greater. So we're going to shade above the blue line also. So let's do that. So I'm shading everywhere above the blue line. Okay, now the question is, where do the two shadings overlap each other? Because that's always the answer, right? You want to find out where the two shadings are up. It's right here in section B for mine. So the answer to this one would be just B. Section B is where the two shadings overlap, because they say the solution to the given system. So that's what it is. So whenever we're shading a graph, whenever we're looking at a graph and shading, we're trying to find where it's shaded, where the overlap of the shading is, because that's the answers. That's all the points. Remember, it's like a graph is like a big light bright. Imagine millions and millions and millions of little points up here. All those points are going to make both inequality statements true, because it's greater, and it's greater in both cases. So there it is. There's the overlap. There's the answer, section B. So there we go.